In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Smartsheet. Having all your important contacts inside Smartsheet makes it much easier to share sheets, assign tasks, and collaborate with your team. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to bring your contacts into Smartsheet, and I'll also share a few tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and that you're on any sheet or in the main Smartsheet interface. You don't need a specific sheet open to do this, but you do need to be in your account. Look toward the lower right area of your Smartsheet window for your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might appear as your initials, your photo, or a generic user icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu related to your account and personal settings. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled My Smartsheet Contacts. This is where Smartsheet stores the people you frequently collaborate with, so importing them here will make them available across your projects. Click on My Smartsheet Contacts to open your contact list. A new window or panel will appear, showing any existing contacts you've already saved. At the top or near the main controls of this window, you'll see an option called Import Contacts. This is the key feature we'll be using. Go ahead and click on Import Contacts. Once you click that, Smartsheet will prompt you to choose a source for your contacts. Depending on your version and setup, you might be able to import from a file, from another service, or from your system's address book. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to quickly review your source list and clean it up, removing any contacts you no longer need. This helps keep your Smartsheet environment tidy and easier to manage. Follow the import prompts, select the source you want, and confirm the import. Smartsheet will then bring those contacts into your My Smartsheet Contacts list. When it finishes, you'll see your newly imported contacts ready to use whenever you share a sheet, assign a task, or send a notification. That's all there is to it. By using your profile icon, opening My Smartsheet Contacts, and choosing Import Contacts, you can quickly centralize your contact list inside Smartsheet and streamline your collaboration.